Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Greyland School and I'm off to learn about primary school. Wake tātou. I found the classroom. Hi, I'm Buzz the Cuz. Hey, if it was my first day of school, what do I do first?
You hang your bag up.
Hang my bag up. Okay, cool. Hang my bag up. Nice. And then, is there anything else I need?
Yes, you need a name tag.
Look, it's got Buzz on it. Thank you. Right there. Buzz. Whoa!
Okay.
What is this place? Oh, tēnā kōrua. Hey, can you show me around?
Sure. Over there is where we relax and read books. And then over here, that's where we do our arts and crafts. That's our maths corner and that's our teacher Laura.
Hi, Buzz. Welcome to our class.
That's where our headphones are. We put them on when we need to calm down, if like you're angry or sad. And when you get out, you're all calm again.
Ooh, calm corner. Let's go. Yeah?
You have to get on the mat.
Oh. Oops.
All right, guys. Today, we're going to have a think about a place that's special to us and our whānau. You could be somewhere you go on holiday. It might be where your family's from. Or it might be where you play. Or you go for a nice, calm day out. Finn.
Your home.
Beautiful. What about a few more ideas? Buzz.
The marae.
Amazing idea. So keep that special place in your head. And today you're going to draw a picture of that place that's special for you and your whānau. And you're going to have a go at writing down where that is.
Buzz, come sit with us.
Thank you.
Oh, lovely. Don't worry. You colour that in now.
Do you know what I like to do after being concentrating for ages? Ooh, I like to go and play. Let's go. Here's the rules, okay? We're gonna race from this line to the furthest line and then all the way back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Careful, careful! The aim of the game is you have got to catch Buzz the Cuz. Oh, I've had such an amazing time today. Ka kite anō. All right, try and catch me.